In Lab Experiment 1, you will build the bulk of your autonomous car's chassis. Leaving the wheels off will make it easier to do today's experiments. But if you would rather attach the wheels, just use the wooden block to elevate them from the table. Next, you will use your multimeter to check for continuity on your breadboard. A breadboard enables you to connect electronic devices without the use of solder. The continuity function of the multimeter will sound when two locations are internally connected. The meter will also provide a readout of that connection as a very small resistance. The next task is to investigate the lab's rechargeable nickel metal hydroxide battery. We will measure its open circuit voltage as well as its voltage when powering 1 and 2 motors. Record these voltages in the table provided. Don't make this rookie mistake that allows the positive and negative sides of your power source to short. Always use the insulating boots to keep your alligator clips from coming in contact. The power supply is a more robust way to power your motors. Measure the open circuit, 1 motor and 2 motor voltages and record them in the table provided. Did you notice that the power supply and the meter don't agree? With the power supply set to the 1 motor voltage of the battery, record both the voltage across the motor as well as the current flowing through it. If the motor behaves like a resistor, this is enough information to model it. Take several measurements of voltage and current to see if this model seems to be accurate. Plot current versus voltage to confirm or dispute the ohmic model. At this point in the lab, you will likely find yourself with 15 to 30 minutes available for self-exploration into the components of the electronics kit or other topics in electrical and computer engineering. Take advantage of the guidance provided by your TAs in the Explore More modules. Your TA will then call you back to a breakout discussion session where you can complete the reflection questions on the summary page. Submit this page to your TA and then clean up your bench. Place your car into the locker while taking your electronics kit home for the next pre-lab. Return your batteries, cable, and alligator clips to the box provided. Make sure your blue heartbeat is beating so that you don't lose procedure points. Always thoroughly wash your hands after leaving the lab.